Today, we'll see about database diagram. So basically, these database diagrams are graphical representations which shows the structure of the database and relations between these database objects. So we already have seen some database objects earlier. For example, tables, rows. This particular database diagram graphically shows the structure of the database and all the relations that are associated with it. It describes how the data will be organized and connected with each other. With the help of database diagram, you can easily understand what's going on inside the database. You will come to know about the dependencies inside the database. Now let's see what all things this database diagram includes. So basically database schema diagram may include schema objects, for example, tables, views, fields, relationships, packages, indexes, types, and many other elements. We already have seen about tables and fields. We might have discussed about relationships also, but there are many other parameters which we are yet to discuss. Don't worry about all of them. We'll learn all of it with the flow. Now let's see a simple example of database schema diagram with respect to e-commerce domain. So over here you can see this is a very simple schema diagram of e-commerce domain. At one go, it might look complex, but let's have a look at each element separately. So you can see we have the first element that is the customers table, which stores all the information related to each and every customers who visit that particular platform. Here we have total 5 attributes of customers, that is customer ID, name, email, address, and contact. Now, this particular customer table will store the data regarding each and every customer. Now, what if the customer places an order? So, we will also require one more table which will store all the information related to that particular order which the customer places. So, therefore, we have the next element that is the orders table. Here we have a relationship between the customers table and the orders table. You can see the order table consists of 4 attributes: order ID, customer ID, order date, and total amount. Customer ID is the common attribute between customers table and orders table, which relates these two particular tables. And yes, one particular customer can have many orders. Now we know that customer places order of products. We also have to store the information about the products. And that is why we'll be having one more table which will store the information regarding all the products that are present in that particular platform. For that, we'll require one more table that is products table. Here, orders table and products table are related with each other. Products table has attributes product ID, name description, price, and stock quantity. So this is our very simple database schema diagram. This diagram clarifies what exactly is going on inside the database and how the data is organized in a structured format. Oh no, it's time to go now. We will meet afterwards. Till then, you watch this. Welcome to day 9 of Decoding SQL.